Cancer-causing ingredients in water and baby bottle containers were a wake-up call for many people.
And new tonight, 10 News reporter Mitch Blocker discovered the warning should not have stopped with those containers.
Why not be safe? Why take a chance?
Deanna Lawrence is a concerned grandmother. Like other San Diego consumers, she's heard the stories.
The plastics were a concern of mine, as they've been everybody's in the last few years.
Lawrence knows about the widely reported dangers of Bisphenol A, or BPA, but there's more to this chemical.
They need to know that it's also in canned foods.
BPA is part of the epoxy lining in cans. It's meant to keep the food fresh and prevent it from interacting with metal, which can alter the taste. And Resco Laboratories in the Bay Area tested the canned goods 10 News bought at local stores. Before we tell you the results of the test, you should know the Center for Disease Control reports as little as 9 parts per billion of BPA has adverse effects in lab experiments. The lab tested Bush's Best black beans. A 15-ounce can showed 4,462.5 parts per billion of BPA. In the same test of Chef Boyardee beef ravioli, the test found 110,925 parts per billion. Again, the CDC reports levels as low as 9 parts per billion caused animal cells to mutate. ConAgra owns Chef Boyardee ravioli. They told us the company is working to convert non-BPA-lined cans. Their spokeswoman said, "We are confident it is safe. We are changing because of consumer interest in BPA." Bush Brothers and Company says they are and will continue to be in full compliance with the FDA. The Food and Drug Administration has expressed some concern about BPA, but done nothing to limit its use. That's a mistake, according to Connie Engel of the nonprofit National Breast Cancer Fund, which studied how BPA affects the human body.
When we take it in, the body reads it either as something that's pushing the same buttons that our own hormones do, or it's disrupting how those hormones work.
A report from the fund released last month looked at 700 products and found BPA in canned foods is a major problem. The study also found problems with hard plastic water container manufacturers who use BPA in their bottles.
And they trust in the manufacturers to produce a safe product, and they're not.
I'm Mitch Blocker, 10 News.
And